Okay, next we are going to simplify fractions to lowest terms. Just like I said before when I first started with chapter 1, all of these sections throughout the entire, well, first couple of chapters maybe, it's just a whole bunch of different topics just shoved into one chapter. So we're going to be jumping around a lot. So now we're on to fractions real quick, and we're going to do a quick review of fractions. So first of all, we're going to simplify fractions to lowest terms, or reducing. Another term I use a lot is reducing. Find the highest factor that the numerator and denominator have in common. Divide the numerator and denominator by that common factor. If you get stuck, you can actually find the prime factorization of each number, cross out the numbers that they have in common, and then your remaining number is your reduced answer. If you get stuck on these on reducing and you want me to do this way, just message me. I would be more than happy to throw in a quick video of how to do this. So we're going to reduce 12 over 168. Now I know that the rules say find the highest factor that they have in common. Well, sometimes it's just not possible. Sometimes your brain just doesn't think that well, and you might not be able to figure it out. So if you can't, that's okay. It just means you're going to have to probably reduce multiple times in one problem. So if I was looking at these two problems and I needed to find a number that they had in common, I would say, well, 2 can go into both of them. So I'm going to divide them both by 2. And I know that 2 goes into both of them because they're both even. So what do I get when I take 12 divided by 2? I get 6. What do I get when I take 168 divided by 2? I get 84. Well, I know that that's not reduced to lowest terms because they're still both even. And when they're both even, they're still divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 84 divided by 2 is 42. Now you might think that this is the lowest that they can go, but actually you can go one more. You can divide them both by 3. And I know that because 4 plus 2 is 6, and 3 can go into 6, so 3 can go into 42. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 42 divided by 3 is 14. Anytime you have a numerator 1 on the top, it's as low as it can go. So 1/14 and 12 over 168 are the same exact number. All right, now I have 45 over 210. This time I know that they're both divisible by 5, because the rule for 5 is 5 can go into any number five can go into any number that ends in 5 and 0. So 45 divided by 5 is 9, and 210 divided by 5 is 42. Now I know that this can go lower, and I know that they're both divisible by 3. How do I know that? Well, we know that 3 can go into 9, and 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 can go into 6, so 3 can go into 42. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 42 divided by 3, we already did over here, is 14. Now, the only numbers that can go into 3 are 1 and 3 can't go into 14, so that one is done.